Good morning, students. Just as I have promised you in our previous class, I will give you important question series of first flight class 10th important question series. So, for today, we will discuss 13 solved questions. These questions are very important for your board exam. Along with, we will discuss 5 long questions. Before discussion, I want to clear this factor that short questions word limit of answer is 30 to 40 words and long answers word limit is 100 to 120 words. So, on the screen, just as you are finding question number 1. What was the first reaction of Lencho when it started raining? What was first reaction? When raining start, Lencho became happy and he was finding his expectations, his predictions was about to complete. So in this question, we should be describe the happiness of Lencho. We can write also. He went outside without any reason, only to find pleasure of the raindrops on his body. Second question is, how did the postman react on receiving Lancho's letter? What was the reaction of postman's reaction when he found one letter? That letter is directly addressed to God. In his whole career, he had never seen such type of letter. So he began to laugh and he showed he showed his letter to his boss, postmaster. Next question. What was the reaction of the postmaster? What was the reaction of the postmaster on seeing Lancho's letter first and then letter? Actually, in this question, there are two types of reaction. First type of postman's reaction, seeing such type of letter, he began to laugh. He open heartedly laughed. But after some time, when he thought for some time, he turned into serious mood and he meditated something. Next question. What did the postmaster comment about Lancho's letter to God? What did the postmaster comment about Lancho's letter to God? What was the comment? He was surprised to having such type of faith in an ordinary person just like Lancho. He was very surprised in this world such type of person can believe on God in so much, just as Lancho was showing trust in his letter. And he started to correspondence with God. Question number 5. What did the postmaster come to know on reading the letter? After reading the letter, what was the knowledge of postmaster? It is generally assumed. In his letter, Lancho wrote about his miserable and pitiable condition, his crops destroyed condition, and he requested his some help. Next question. Why did not Lancho show surprise on receiving the money? Is his act justified? Why did not Lancho show surprise on receiving the money? Is his act justified? Lancho did not surprise because he had a strong faith on God. He has a strong faith. He was in positive manner that God would take response, God would give response and also send him money. Yes, his act is justified due to his strong faith. Question number 7. Why did Lancho feel angry on counting the money? Is he justified? So, yes, Lancho felt angry. Why? Because he demanded 100 pesos, but he got only 70 pesos. It is very difficult for him to believe. Yes, it is justified for Lancho because Lancho couldn't dream that God would send only 70 pieces in reply of his demand 100 pesos. Question number 8. Do you think that the postmaster did the right thing in deciding to send the money to Lancho? Do you think that the postmaster did the right thing in deciding to send the money to Lancho? Yes, the postmaster is right for it because he appears just like a philanthropic person. He had understood the real intention of Lancho. He had knowledge about the urgent demand of money and its reason. Question number 9. What characteristics of the postmaster is revealed in his decision to answer Lancho's letter? It is a meditating, high order thinking question. On the basis of a story, you will be able to find the characteristics of postmaster as a philanthropic person. Philanthropic person means the central character of the story. He needed something. Who needed? Lancho needed. And he was able to know what is the actual demand of Lancho. He decided to help Lancho, but this amount which was demanded by Lancho, it was very huge amount. He was not alone to fulfill his demand. So he decided to give one part of his salary. He also begged or requested his friends, staff members, to give some money as an act of charity. Question number 10. What was the postmaster's expectation from Lancho after sending him the money? What was the postmaster's expectation from Lancho after sending him money? Postmaster was experiencing a good sense of satisfaction because he has performed a good work after sending the money. It is natural. He expected surprise and happiness from Lancho on receiving the letter from God. So, it is common virtue of humanistics, human personality. Whatever we commit in positive or negative, we expect the result according to our effort. Question number 11. What did Lancho do when he found that he had received less money than he had requested? From the story, we will get knowledge after expecting money, but Lancho did not get that expected money. He became angry and he was sure that God would not have done any mistake. He had a strong favor also that God would never have denied Lancho what he had requested. So he immediately started writing a letter again to God. Question number 12. What did Lancho write to God after counting the money? After counting the money and finding less amount what he had requested, Lancho decided to write a letter in which he dealt with his problem, he described his problem, and he complained to send 70 pesos only, requested to remaining 30 pesos more. But he also warned God not send remaining amount by the mail because he was saying in funny mood that these employees of mail was an bunch of crooks. Last question. Do you justify Lancho's act of calling the post office staff as crooks? Explain. Yes, we can say Lancho's this act is justified because Lancho in this story is presented as a simple, innocent person who is far away from the monetary policy or this monetary world. So, whatever he has a knowledge about God, he has a strong faith. So, he didn't blame to God. He blamed simply to post office employees. I hope with the hints, with the lecture, you will be find all short questions of these important question series. Now we will move hints for long answer question. Please keep mind its answer should be in 100 to 120 words. First question, sketch the character of Lancho. We know Lancho is the central character of the lesson. So we should find minimum 5 qualities. Minimum 5 qualities of Lancho on the basis of your lesson. Hardworking person, innocent person, a strong believer person, good predictor, and we should describe these headings with one example of each heading from the text. For example, hard-working person. Lancho was a hard-working person, just as we know that about the trait of Lancho, writer has wrote that Lancho was an ox in his field. Such type of things we should develop the answer of this question. Second question, Lancho's letter to God blaming. Lancho's letter to God blaming the employees of the post office shows his staunch faith in God. Question number 2. In this question, in this question, we should strong faith. We have a strong faith on God in the personality of Lancho. Whatever Lancho has committed, I hope from the destroying condition of corp till the reply letter of Lancho to God, whole story should be developed. From the destroyed condition of the crop in field till the end of the story should be described. Next question. We could find very few people like the postmaster and Lancho in today's materialistic world. Justify this instance. In this question, firstly, we should describe whole story and give the remark on the basis of our positive and present thinking. We can find in this world, in this earth, just like Lancho, who is an innocent, simple, honest person. Yes, we can find in this earth, in this land, There are various persons. We can also find postmasters type person who are ready to help needy persons. So firstly we should describe the story and we should give response in positive. Next question. You are the postmaster at the post office who had helped Lancho by sending money. But on reading the second letter to God from Lancho, you feel disturbed. You do not know whether to appreciate Lancho's blind faith in God or condemned his fully expressing your feelings. Write a diary entry. Write a diary entry. Diary entries format you have very well known in your previous class 9th. On the same format, you should assume yourself as the postmaster. Whatever postmaster has done, you should be right in your own words in assuming yourself as postmaster. Question number 5. Bring out the irony in the story A Letter to God. In this story also, we should write whole summary of this lesson. What is the irony point? Before writing, we should understand irony. Irony is a part which can describe the adverse element of the statement or situation which can produce the laughing condition. There are various points. For one example, one is most important. Bunch of crooks. Post office, employees, postmaster, postman worked a lot. They helped Lancho, but whatever they got the remark bunch of crooks. It is ironical comment. I hope on the basis of these hints, you will be developed in your these questions answer. You should be write these answers in your fair copy. Thank you.